Hey guys, it's Me22 here, and today we are going to be building a, well, you know what, we're going to be building what I like to call a spy pistol. Now this pistol is going to probably be like a sniper rifle with less power. So let's put that there, and let's camo this. Let's put it in desert. Barrel's obviously gotta have a silencer. This is gonna have to have a foregrip because he's gonna be holding it. And I know this might look a bit weird, but trust me. It's gonna have an extended mag. We'll actually be doing two in this video. We'll be doing a full auto variant. We'll be doing three, actually. We'll be doing a full auto variant, the sniper variant. Now, obviously, this pistol's gotta have a lot of power, so we're gonna choose the one with the biggest number, obviously. And then we're gonna be using a just everyday, not killing, but like everyday self-defense pistol. So let's get rid of that. Let's come into here. Let's go over here. As you can see, it's actually still kind of loud. And just regular combat. And got a laser on the handle. As you can see, it can go extremely long ranges. As you can see, it's got almost no recoil. Because this foregrip that we have on it reduces the recoil. Now let's move on to our next variant. Okay guys, so this variant will be our everyday assault pistol. So it's obviously not going to have a stock, not going to have a camo. Probably gonna have a 5.5 inch barrel. Probably not going to have a bottom attachment. Probably not going to have a sight. It's probably just going to have this. Well, to spice things up, we'll give it an extended magazine. And if it's everyday self-defense and you're like a military member or something, you're probably going to have a sight on it or something. I don't know, I'm just trying to make this entertaining. We're going to have a flashlight. Actually, let's call this the Zombie Apocalypse pistol. So, just a run-of-the-mill Zombie Apocalypse pistol. Obviously, the receiver is going to be like this because it's a P99. P99s are military most of the time. Let's save this to the gun rack. Let's come in here. And let's go over here. Has 30 rounds in it. I don't think that magazine is gonna hold 30 rounds, but you know, whatever this game wants, I guess. So we're gonna go over here the desert outpost. I mean, it kind of lights it up. Actually, guys, you know what? We'll be right back with another shooting range. Okay, guys, so we're here at the destruction shooting range. And I figure this will be just a little bit better for you guys than me shooting targets. Now let's sight in. Oh yeah. That's good. I like that. Another coin. Well, continuing from our last video, we have 9 now. Apparently I can't aim. I don't think that bottle wants to be hit. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can hit this mannequin. Oh yeah. And now let's reload. I know this isn't supposed to be in a zombie defense weapon, but hey, what can I say? It's fun. Okay guys, I will meet you back at the gun building station for our third weapon and our final, our assault pistol. See you there. Hey guys, welcome back, and this is going to be our final pistol, which is our assault pistol. Now we don't want a buttstock on it because it has to be readily accessible. The silencer probably isn't needed because you're going to be going in with an M4 and you're probably not going to need a silencer. Let's put a flashlight on it. Let's not put anything in the way. It's probably going to have, you know what, I'm just going to make this a crazy assault pistol. Put a combat sight on it. We'll put a cheek rest stock. We'll put drum mags. Our slide will be this tiny G30. We'll have a lasering grip. And then we'll save this to the gun rack. So instead of an assault rifle, we've got an assault pistol. It's probably going to be harder to come across than an assault rifle. Now let's head to the destruction. And since this is an assault pistol, let's turn the flashlight on, because why not? I'm pretty sure we're hitting it, guys, and it's just not showing up because it's being difficult. Let's see if we can no-scope him. We totally did that with the first bullet. We did that with the first bullet. His head just didn't want to come off. Probably like most people's heads. There we go. Alright guys, that's gonna have to end off this video. I'm Mini Zombie Meat, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.